Hey everyone, it is Monday, May 11th, and this is actually going to be the last post for the school year. I wanted to give you guys time to finish this assignment, and then those of you who need the time to get caught up or redo assignments if that is what you want. So this is it. So we'll go to classwork here, go to figurative language, and figurative language last assignment. Let's open that up. And this is figurative language in song. So we have spent the last few weeks looking at figurative language. One area that is known for figurative language is songs. Your mission is to find 5 different songs that contain figurative language. You'll write the song title, the lyrics must be school appropriate, that contain the figurative language, and identify which type of figurative language it is. So, for example, the song Best Day of My Life, the song lyrics are, I had a dream so big and loud, I jumped so high, I touched the clouds. That is a hyperbole. There's no way you can literally jump so high you touch the clouds. So, that is my example. Again, 5 different songs. There are some songs that do have different multiple figurative language. 1 song per figurative language. Okay, has to be 5 different songs. It's all there for you. So just click and start typing. Okay. If you've got any questions, let me know. I hope you kind of have fun with this. It's a little different. And also make sure if you need that you double check your definitions and examples. They're there for you. Okay? I miss y'all. You guys have done an incredible job. Really am very proud of you, and I look forward to seeing you guys next school year. Take care. Bye, guys.